Audio Jungle.
What's up guys? Welcome to Biggy TV once again. Hope you enjoyed the last video that we posted. So today we'll be taking you through how to make a natural protein shake. No protein powder, just natural ingredients which are easy to get. I am with our resident chef, Chef Biggy, who will introduce the ingredients for us.
So these are our ingredients for today. Plain yogurt, milk, groundnut, and for the fruits, we have watermelon, avocado, bananas, and pineapple. So we'll first chop the fruits. So we now mix all the ingredients into the blender and blend.
guys, this is the protein shake. Hope you enjoyed the process of making it. We will now taste it. Cheers. Okay, the advantages of taking this protein shake is 1, it will help you sleep better at night. 2, it will help you relieve menstrual pains. Number 3 is for you, the bodybuilders. It will help you improve strength during your workouts and help you build lean muscle. So guys, that's it for today. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get future videos of this kind. Bye bye.